Community gardens. All over the country, people are growing vegetables. They are not only farmers, they are regular people growing food in community gardens. These gardens have changed the way many people think about their food and neighborhoods. People might think that community gardens just give people a place to grow tomatoes and carrots. This is not all they do. These gardens can bring people together. People do not just dig in the dirt. They visit and talk while they water plants. They share ideas. In a community garden, people meet their neighbors. People learn about other people who are different from themselves. People can do different kinds of work in a garden. Some people are good at planting seeds. Others can pull weeds. Children can water plants with a hose. Everyone's work helps the plants grow. Neighbors working together